My favorite part of working at Markforged is helping customers transform their business with our innovative 3D printing technology.
The team at Markforged has built an amazing product, and this product is reinventing manufacturing. It's really inspiring, and we're a pioneer in an industry. This is what brings me into work every day to make my contribution.
My favorite thing about working at Markforged is the people. We have a very talented and smart group of individuals working at the organization who are always willing to help, whether it be with projects within their own team or department or in others within the organization. And that really means a lot to me when it comes to working at a 3D printing company who really has a common goal of achieving success and being the best out there.
マークフォージは非常にワークライフバランスもとてもよくですね、毎日楽しく仕事をさせていただいております。マークフォージと最高。
I love my job at Markforged because I get to impact our most important asset, our people. And together, as one team, we work to reinvent manufacturing so you can build anything you imagine.
I work at Markforged because it offers me the chance to help build and be a part of something special and fun.
I love working at Markforged because I have a real sense of ownership of my role. I also feel connected with some of the most innovative technology in the world.
We are constantly building new products and new techniques that reinvent manufacturing every day. We challenge what is possible. We push the boundary of what the industry is doing.
I come into work every day because I love what I do. I love the people, the environment. Come in here looking forward every day to do the different projects, soak up new knowledge.
Markforged は最先端のテクノロジーカンパニーですが、社員をとても大切にする素晴らしい会社です。毎日がエキサイティングです。
My favorite part about working at Markforged is just how smart everybody is here. I am not a technical background. I'm the recruiter here. I'm able to pull a printer out of the box, set it up, and print parts myself.
The technology is so cool. I love this pattern, which is fusing together really advanced software with hardware that needs to solve really complicated real-world problems.
公司秉持着 One Team One Vision 的团队理念，一起拼，一定赢。
I work at Markforged for the people, the technology, and the chance to bring new value to our customers.
Applied and decided to work at Markforged because everyone here shares the same vision and has a voice. Here, we work together to make ideas happen.
I work in the customer solutions group, which means I'm engaging with our customers and helping them better understand and use our printers and tackling technical issues they may have. And I love seeing what our customers produce. That never gets old, seeing what they're creating.
I love working at Markforged because I really love the people who work here. I love all my teammates. Whenever I need help, I know who to go to. I know I can get help. And everyone's really willing to problem solve and troubleshoot some really interesting stuff.
Markforged 亞太嘅 application engineer 喺 Markforged 最吸引我嘅地方就係我可以同嚟自世界各地唔同地區、唔同文化背景嘅同事一齊工作，互相學習。你都快啲加入我哋啦！
Well, I work for Markforged because I love happy customers, and our machines, our resellers, our technology, and our service will definitely make happy customers.